Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair a Creative Movo Mini speaker to your MacBook. First of all, you have to use this power button, so click on it once.
Powering on.
And right now click and hold the Bluetooth button until this indicator turns on.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
As you can see right now, the right one is blinking actually, and there's also the voice notification that the Bluetooth pairing is enabled. So right now we have to simply close this speaker to our MacBook. We have to go to the system settings at the bottom. We have to go for the Bluetooth. Next, turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Take a look for the nearby devices, and we are waiting until our Creative Movo Mini pops on the list, and we have to move to the right side and select Connect button. As you can see right now we are connected, so at the end I can recommend you to go to the sound and take a look for the output. Just be sure that our Creative Movo Mini is selected to be the main speaker right now. And for the input, if you are trying to use the microphone of your MacBook, you have to switch just right here. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.